Hey guys, it's your girl Shabby from Shabby Fun Cuisine. Today we're going to make white rice, okay? Haitian style, okay? Very easy, guys. And once I show you how I make my white rice, guys, you guys gonna love it, okay? Even your kids, okay? Let me show you guys what I have for you, okay? As you can see, guys, I have in this bowl, guys, I have one yellow onion, okay, and one scallion, okay. So, and I have teaspoon of salt, and of course I have my jasmine rice, okay, we're going to use, okay. And as you can see, my pot warming up, and I have vegetable oil, okay. So what I'm going to show you guys, I like to use, like, onions and scallion, okay. So what I'm going to show you guys, I'm going to just cut a little tiny piece, okay. And I'm just going, let me just do that, cut it in two pieces, okay. Add it in my pot, okay. You see that it's very hot. Let me put it down, okay. Okay, and you have to be careful, guys, because the oil is just flying all over the place. Okay, so guys, what I'm going to do, guys, I'm going to get some warm water, and then when we come back, we'll finish up. Okay, come back. Okay guys, now I'm adding my warm water. Oops, I'm dropping some water all over the place, guys. Let me get some paper towel. Okay. Okay, now what I'm doing now, guys, I'm adding my salt. Okay, and next, guys, I'm just gonna let it boil. Let me put that. Okay, and then when we come back, we'll add our rice. So our rice, okay? Come back. Okay, guys, now it's time to add our rice. Look at that. See, water is boiling. Okay, and I already washed my rice. Okay, my hands are clean. Now I'm adding my rice. Okay, make sure you let the water, everything come up, guys. Okay. Guys, this is how you can get your kids eat white rice, guys. When you add more flavors to it, guys, perfect way. Okay, so now what I'm going to do next, stirring it up. Okay, and let me give it a taste, guys. Perfect, everything's good. Okay, just gonna let it cook, guys, and when we come back, we'll check on it. Okay, come back. Okay guys, now let's check on our rice, okay? Let me show you guys how everything looks. Okay? Oh wow, look at that, guys. Now I'm taking off the onions, guys. Okay, because I don't need them. Okay? Okay, let me see if it's cooked. So okay, it's ready, guys. I'm going to give it like 3 more minutes, and then when we come back, everything should be ready to go. Okay, come back. Okay guys, now there it is. Okay, on the plate. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to garnish it with a little bit of Italian parsley, guys. Not too much, just a little sprinkle. Okay. Okay, that's it. Alright guys, let me just grab something to clean up my plate. Okay, there it is. Alright. Okay guys, if you guys like this recipe, don't forget to subscribe and give it a thumbs up if you guys like the video, guys. And remember to leave a comment down below the box, okay? And remember to share with your family and friends, and make sure you give it a try, okay? So, guys, this is how I get my kids to eat white rice, okay? Try it. You're gonna love it. Okay, have a wonderful day. Bye.